Hey guys, it's your boy Aijalonwallace and Nomad Recruiter. If you don't know me by now, I travel the world and make places for a living. And if you are looking to start a staffing and recruiting agency, I want to help you do that by enrolling you into my online course that I currently offer. I have helped a lot of students scale their agencies to 6 and 7 figures, and I will hope that you take action this year or before next year in 2024 to get your agency off of the ground. It's always going to be important to have multiple streams of income. So today we're going to be talking about the pros and cons of starting a staffing agency. So starting a staffing agency can be a rewarding venture, but like many other businesses, it can come with a set of pros and cons at the end of the day. So here's an overview for beginners out there. So we're going to start off with a few pros, okay? Some of the pros is, growing demand. So the demand for temporary and flexible workforce solutions is often high. So providing a steady market for staffing agencies, many businesses turn to staffing agencies to fill short-term or specialized positions. So that could be more so geared around your niche and what you decide to specialize on within the industry. Okay, we're going to talk about revenue potential as well. With most staffing agencies, you can generate revenue by charging fees and their services, such as placement fees or hourly margins on temporary workers. So successful agencies can achieve significant financial success. I'm talking anywhere from 50 to 100,000 a month, or a $500,000 to $1 million a month, depending on how long you have been working within the business and how high you build your contractor book at the end of the day. We're going to be talking about diverse client base as well. So staff agencies can work across various industries, providing opportunities to build a diverse client base. This diversification can help mitigate risks associated with economic turndowns in the Pacific sectors. And most importantly, with talent pools, you can build a strong network of qualified candidates, which can give your agency a competitive advantage. So the ability to quickly match skills individuals which clients need is crucial for success. And most importantly, is flexibility in service. So starting your staff agency can offer a range of services, including temporary staffing, temp to hire, direct placement. And this is flexibility allows you to cater to different clients' preference and needs for the most part as well. So we're going to jump into some of the cons out there. Some of the cons can be high competition, which is something I often mention on my YouTube channel at the end of the day. The staff industry is competitive with many agencies, vying for clients and candidates. Standing out in a crowded market requires strategic planning, effective marketing, and a strong value proposition. And this is why I encourage so many people out there to get yourself a mentor or a coach, because you can waste a lot of money getting your agency off the ground if you don't have a proper strategy. So we're going to talk about the initial investment. So starting a staff agency may require significant initial investments in terms of office space, technology, marketing, and staff salaries. Adequate funding is crucial for the agency's survival during initial stages. And then, most importantly, we want to talk about the legal and regulatory challenges. Staff agencies must comply with labor laws, employment regulations, and industry standards. Navigating the legal landscape can be complex and may require the experience of legal professionals or potentially a recruiting mentor that can help guide you when you are trying to get the staffing side off the ground. Do remember that staffing and recruiting are two different things. If you don't know what they are, please check out my other YouTube channels. I do have a lot of topics talking about the differences. And most importantly, we're going to talk about the dependency of economic conditions. So the demand for staffing services is often influenced by the economic conditions. So during an economic turndown, businesses may cut back on hiring, impacting the revenue of staffing agencies. And client and candidate relationships is important as well. It can also be a con, because building and maintaining positive relationships with both clients and candidates is essential. So negative experiences can harm your agency or reputation, making it challenging to attract and retain clients at the end of the day as well. And I also want to mention cash flow challenges. So staff agencies often face cash flow challenges, especially if clients have longer payment terms. Balancing the timely payment of temporary workers with the receipt of payments from clients is crucial for financial stability. So starting a staffing agency requires careful planning, industry knowledge, and the ability to adapt to changing market conditions. So success often hinges on building strong relationships, offering excellent customer service, and effectively marketing your agency to both clients and staffing. Listen, today I just wanted to educate you guys on the pros and cons of starting your staffing agency. If you like this content, I need you to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, let me know some topics you want me to touch on, and most importantly, if you are looking to get your agency off the ground, make sure you click on the links below to join, to join Nomad Recruiters Academy. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys soon, and thanks again.